Have you ever watched your cat sleeping and noticed those tiny twitches? The paws flexing, the whiskers flicking, maybe even a faint chirp escaping their mouth, and thought, wait, are they chasing something in there? Maybe it's a mouse. Maybe it's you. Or maybe your cat is starring in its own action movie somewhere in the mysterious world of feline dreams. Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating questions in cat psychology. Do cats dream? And if they do, what on earth are they dreaming about? The feline sleep addiction. Cats sleep an average of 13 to 16 hours a day. Some even hit 20. That means if your cat lives to age 15, it's spent almost 10 years asleep. 10 years! Your cat has basically slept through your Netflix subscriptions, job changes, and emotional breakdowns. But it's not laziness, it's biology. Cats are what scientists call crepuscular predators. That means they're naturally wired to be most active during dawn and dusk, the perfect time to hunt small prey in the wild. Their long sleep hours help them conserve energy for those short bursts of hunting activity, even if hunting now just means ambushing your ankles. And here's the kicker. Cats aren't always asleep when they look like it. They have two main sleep stages, just like us: non-REM sleep and REM sleep. And REM is where the magic, well, the dreaming happens. The science of cat sleep. When a cat first drifts off, it enters light sleep or non-REM sleep. Their breathing slows, their body relaxes, and yet, those ears? Still twitching at every noise. That's because cats evolved to be alert even while resting, a survival mechanism. A napping cat is both vulnerable and ready to spring into action. Basically, they're doing a light version of sleep with one eye open. But after about 15 to 30 minutes, something changes. Their body goes limp, their breathing deepens, their eyes start darting rapidly beneath closed lids. This is REM sleep, short for rapid eye movement. And in humans, it's the stage where dreams occur. Now here's the exciting part. Cats experience REM sleep cycles just like humans, though shorter, usually lasting around 6 to 7 minutes each. During that time, their brains show activity patterns that are remarkably similar to those of dreaming humans. Their cortex fires, memory centers light up, and the body occasionally twitches as if acting out tiny fragments of dream motion. So yes, your cat is dreaming. And according to neuroscience, it's almost certain. The discovery of animal dreams. The idea that animals dream isn't new, but it wasn't proven until the 1960s. A French scientist named Michel Gervais performed experiments on cats that changed how we understand sleep forever. He observed that during REM sleep, cats would sometimes twitch, paddle their legs, or even stalk invisible prey. When Gervais temporarily disabled the part of their brain that stops movement during REM sleep, the cats began to act out their dreams, walking, pouncing, even grooming themselves, all while still asleep. It was eerie, but it was also revolutionary because it proved that cats weren't just sleeping, they were reliving experiences. Their dreams seemed tied to instinctual behaviors like hunting, chasing, fighting, just like the actions they'd perform while awake. In other words, cats dream of what cats do best, being cats. So next time you see your cat's paws twitching mid-nap, don't wake them. They might be catching the dream mouse of their life. What cats probably dream about. Let's get to the fun part. What's actually happening inside those feline dreams? While we can't peek directly into a cat's dream world, not yet anyway, research on mammalian sleep gives us strong clues. Cats likely dream about hunting or stalking prey. Their natural predator instincts play out during REM, like reruns of their favorite hunting memories. Exploring familiar environments. Some dreams may help reinforce spatial memory,
where their food bowl is, or that forbidden top shelf they can't resist. Interactions with humans or other animals. Cats form emotional attachments, so they might replay moments of affection or rivalry with you or another pet. Stressful events. Just like us, cats can have nightmares. Sudden jerks or distressed meows during sleep can suggest an unpleasant dream, perhaps a remembered vet visit or loud noise. There's even a charming theory that cats might dream about smells. Their olfactory brain regions are active during REM sleep, suggesting they could be reliving scent memories like that can of tuna you opened 3 days ago. And yes, maybe, sometimes, they dream of you. Especially if you're their bonded human, the one who feeds, cuddles, and occasionally humiliates them with tiny sweaters. Cat sleep positions and what they reveal. You can actually tell a lot about your cat's emotional state by how they sleep. The loaf. Paws tucked neatly under, eyes half closed. That's light sleep. Your cat's relaxed but alert. They're probably not dreaming yet. The curl. Tail wrapped, body tight. This is for warmth and safety, often deep sleep where dreams begin. Belly up position. Total trust. A cat sleeping with their belly exposed is in a secure environment. These are the dreamers, deep in REM. When you see your cat twitch, chirp, or make little running motions in their sleep, they're likely in REM, dreaming away in the feline matrix. Do cats have nightmares? Unfortunately, not all dreams are pleasant. Cats can experience nightmares, especially those who face trauma or stress, like rescues or cats from harsh environments. If your cat suddenly jerks awake, runs, or cries out during sleep, it might be reliving something scary. This isn't just theory. Animal trauma studies show that cats and dogs can experience post-traumatic stress, where memories replay during REM sleep, much like in humans. If that happens, comfort them gently when they wake, but don't startle them mid-dream. Touching a cat during REM can trigger confusion or fear because their mind is still in the dream. Instead, wait until they wake naturally. Speak softly and let them reorient. Over time, consistent affection and stability reduce nightmare frequency. The purpose of cat dreams. So why do cats dream at all? Dreaming is thought to serve several key functions for the feline brain. Memory consolidation. Cats may dream to process experiences, rehearsing successful hunts or memorizing their environment. Emotional regulation. Dreams could help them process fear, joy, or curiosity, balancing their mood. Skill reinforcement. Like human athletes visualizing performance, cats might be practicing hunting and coordination while asleep. This explains why kittens, who are constantly learning, spend twice as much time in REM sleep as adult cats. Their brains are literally training through dreams, turning fuzzy instincts into feline precision. It's the cutest form of homework ever. How to improve your cat's sleep quality. If dreams are essential for your cat's mental health, then sleep quality matters more than you think. Here's how to help them dream better. Create a calm environment. Keep loud noises and sudden movements away from their favorite napping spots. Provide multiple safe sleeping zones. Cats love to rotate spots depending on light, warmth, and scent. Keep consistent routines. Cats thrive on predictability. It stabilizes their sleep cycle. Engage them during the day. Play sessions and enrichment help release energy, making nighttime rest deeper. Avoid late-night feeding chaos. Try setting a schedule so they don't wake you up at 3 a.m. demanding snacks mid-dream. Think of it as sleep hygiene, but for your furry roommate. So, do cats dream? Absolutely. They dream of the life they live, and the one that their instincts still remember.